In this video, we'll look at 3 skills you can learn in just a week. So, let's begin. Up first we have how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's not as hard as it seems to be. Just follow a YouTube tutorial as I did and you'll be able to solve it in under 1 minute in just a week. Of course if you practice enough. And you'll need a Rubik's Cube, of course. If you want to learn how to juggle, you'll need 3 objects that are the same size and the same weight. But the best are juggling balls, but as you can see, I don't have them. I'm using some I found in my closet. And again, the best way to learn how to juggle is to follow a YouTube tutorial. And for the last skill I chose drawing in perspective for beginners. That's the easiest skill on this list because you only need to write a few lines, but if you want to become a professional perspective artist, you'll need a lot of practice. I mean, really a lot. P.S. I'm a beginner at all of these things. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content, and leave a comment down below if you want to tell me anything.